Struggling with pet hair, dust, and allergens everywhere? The Shark Navigator. Lift-Away Deluxe is your cleaning game changer. The Lift-Away feature lets you detach the main unit with one button press, transforming it into a portable machine perfect for stairs, furniture, and hard-to-reach spots. No more struggling with heavy vacuums on stairs. Powerful suction never loses strength thanks to Anti-Allergen Complete Seal technology with HEPA filter that traps 99.9% of dust and allergens inside, perfect for allergy sufferers and pet owners who want cleaner, healthier air. The motorized brush roll delivers deep cleaning power on carpets, picking up embedded dirt and pet hair like a magnet. Instantly turn it off for gentle cleaning on hardwood floors and tiles. Swivel steering makes maneuvering around furniture effortless, while the large capacity dust cup means fewer trips to empty it. Specialized pet tools including Upholstery and Crevice tools make quick work of furniture and tight spaces. Lightweight, easy to push, and built to last. Ready to transform your cleaning routine? Grab the link in the description and comments below.